So hello guys, this is Chef PH and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I want to show you my night routine product I'm using every night. This product is called Garnier Bright Complete Vitamin C Yogurt Sleeping Mask that I'm using every night. So, intro pa lang yun guys ha. Tagalog na tayo kasi baka mag-lose bleed. Itong Garnier guys, pag ginagamit ko to every night, marami na akong nilagay na product na pag ginamit ko siya sa face ko is sobrang sticky sa mukha, parang pagkagising mo sa umaga, oiling-oily yung mukha mo guys. Itong Garnier guys is hindi. Nagustuhan ko itong Garnier guys kasi bukod sa maganda siyang gamitin, nakaka-lessen din siya ng dark spot. Ang nakalagay dito guys, Bright Complete Yogurt Sleeping Mask Night. Night is the ideal time for skin to generate and did you know yogurt and lemon mask is known as a facial treatment to brighten dull skin? So maganda dito. So discover the new Garnier Bright Complete Night Yogurt Sleeping Mask for the first time, combining soy yogurt probiotic extract, lemon essence, vitamin C, and white speed serum to nourish skin while you sleep every night. It is formulated to work like a brightening yogurt treatment, reduce dullness, exfoliate dead cells, lighten spots, and skin tone. Its ultra light yogurt texture easily absorbed into the skin layer. So maganda talaga siya pag i-continuous use mo siya. So ang result nito guys, pag araw-araw mo siyang ginagamit every night is this visible fair skin starting from first night, skin look less dull, dark spot less visible, and wake up the renewed fresh fair skin. So kaya pagising ko sa umaga, hindi ko nakikita yung mukha ko nagiging haggard kasi nga dahil dito sa Garnier. Marami na akong nagamit na product guys, and pagkagising ko sa umaga, yung aking face ay pwedeng malutuan ng sunny side up na itlog dahil sa sobrang oily. So kaya dito na ako sa Garnier Bright Complete Vitamin C Yogurt Serum. Hindi na ako gumagamit ng ibang product. Garnier lang talaga malakas. So, thank you for watching guys, and see you on my next video.